The Coromandel Express is a popular train service in India. Here are some facts about the Coromandel Express. 1. Route. The Coromandel Express runs between Howrah Junction in Kolkata, West Bengal, and Chennai Central in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It covers a distance of approximately 1669 kilometers, 1037 miles. 2. Train number. The Coromandel Express is officially known as train number 12,841, 12,842. The train operates as 12,841 from Howrah Junction to Chennai Central and as 12,842 from Chennai Central to Howrah Junction. 3. Operating days. The Coromandel Express operates daily, providing a convenient mode of transportation for passengers traveling between Kolkata and Chennai. 4. Time and duration. The train generally departs from Howrah Junction in the evening and arrives at Chennai Central the next day in the afternoon. The journey takes approximately 28 hours, depending on the specific schedule and any delays. 5. Class configuration. The Coromandel Express offers various classes for passengers, including EC First Class, AX 2 Tier, EC 3 Tier, Sleeper Class, and Unreserved General Class. Passengers can choose the class according to their preferences and budget. 6. Scenic route. The Coromandel Express passes through scenic landscapes, including the Eastern Ghats, coastal plains, and picturesque countryside, offering passengers glimpses of the diverse geography of the region. 7. Popular stops. Some of the major stops along the route of the Coromandel Express include Kharagpur Junction, Bhubaneswar, Visakhapatnam, Rajahmundry, Vijayawada, and Gadur Junction, among others. 8. Historical significance. The name Coromandel refers to the Coromandel Coast, which is the southeastern coastline of the Indian subcontinent. The region holds historical significance due to its role in trade and colonial history.